All right, welcome in, ladies and gentlemen. Today you're going to learn how ordinary people are making $400,000 a month on X selling digital products, simple products like PDFs that you can make with AI. This is the $400,000 a month X operation, the full course, 5 modules, 45 slides. My full strategic blueprint given to you for free, so smash the like button and let's dive in. Firstly, why should you listen to me? Well, I've got 2 mentors. One of them makes over $500,000 a month selling digital products on X, and the other one is an OG, making over $1 million a month between meta ads, Instagram reels, and YouTube videos. And she also is just selling digital products to make this $1 million a month and more. As for me, I've sold over $250,000 in digital products myself in a completely different industry. And even though all 3 of us have different niches, we all follow the same identical playbook. And today I'm gonna hand you the exact strategy, the exact blueprint that we are using today. Now, in the next 60 minutes, here's what you'll walk away with. Number 1, the text first edge. Why an X post with 20K views or less can actually out-earn an entire viral video, and how you can engineer that for yourself. Number 2, 4 faceless money machines. Everything from B2B systems all the way to the 90-day closer model. And number 3, we're gonna give you our entire unfair tech stack, which is practically the cheat code that we're using to print serious money in this game. Auto DM funnels, 600 post batching, and retweeting circles that help you reach 40,000 views on day 1. And finally, number 4, the 90-day scaling roadmap. Month by month, from low numbers all the way to scaling past $30,000 a month or more. And finally, if you stick around till the end for number 5, we're gonna give you some secret money multipliers. All right, now that you know who we are and what you're gonna learn, let's dive into the $400,000 a month X operation hosted by Emperor Jefe. Now, attention is cheap. However, targeted attention is the most underpriced asset in commerce. We don't build audiences. We're basically building entire distribution machines that convert intent into contracts. And what does that mean for you? You don't want to build just any audience. You want extremely targeted traffic. You want to solve a very specific problem, and that way your audience can actually convert. Because if you can solve a serious problem and you're teaching people for free and then leading to a paid course, this is gold. You guys can convert. And that's where you start making some serious money. So here's our 5 modules, what you guys are going to get into one by one. We already went over this, so let's dive deep. Let's dive into module number 1, anatomy of the X operation, understanding the structural edge before you build on it. All right, before we start printing crazy money, we have to understand the structural edge that you actually have, so that way you're able to build on it. First, you have to realize there's a massive friction gap between these 2 economies. This high friction video versus high leverage text. What we're talking about today is the massive leverage that you're going to gain by mastering this X game. Now, everybody's chasing TikTok and YouTube, even Instagram. You guys know this. Everybody, especially now with AI avatars, everybody is flooding these platforms with videos, tons of them, and they take more time to make. And although you can do them a lot faster, batching these a lot faster with AI avatars, it's still a lot faster to make text posts on X. Real quick, if you actually want to build and sell your own digital product, start with my $27 guide called Build Your Digital Product in Under 2 Hours. It's everything you need to get started today, and it even includes a bonus course on how to have a successful product launch in 3 days or less. And if you're ready to go all in, my brand new VIP masterclass gives you 10 full courses, 75 plus bonuses like checklists, cheat sheets, and prompt packs, 15 plus custom built interactive tools, and over 10 hours of video lessons with more added all the time. You also get a special invitation into our private community with support from me, my team, and every other member inside. Communities and coaching groups like this usually run $10,000 or more. Mine is under $1,000, but only for the first 100 members, so don't miss out. Links are in the description. Now, back to the lesson. And it's more about intellectual. It's actually the type of people that are on X compared to somewhere like TikTok. You basically see what you're gonna have to put in here making these videos. You have the film, the edit, the caption, the thumbnails, hours per asset. You need to have some serious talent to do some editing and the on-screen presence. Not only that, you're spending full days with uncertain reach. You don't know if that YouTube video that you made is gonna get 10 views, 100 views, or 1,000 views. Now, how does that match up with what we're doing here with X? Well, the production load. You're spending minutes per asset because these text posts take almost no time to make. There's 0 editing pipeline because you don't have to edit any videos. Once you make the post is basically ready to post. And the skill dependency, well, you don't need to have editing talent or on-camera presence. Really, you just have to have clear thinking and proper structure to your tweets. Not only that, this is fully outsourceable. You could basically have someone else making these tweets if you needed to, even AI. And I think this is the biggest one among all of this. If you took any advantage of why we should do X and why you should put some attention into this instead of doing video, it is because these failed posts cost minutes, not days. If you guys made full YouTube tutorials, like the one that I'm giving to you right now, if this flops, well, oh well, I wasted my time making this video, didn't I? If this didn't teach anybody anything, then this would have been a waste. A lot of time went into this compared to an X post that can actually be done in just moments. You can make an X post in just seconds, minutes. You guys can spend a few hours and basically have your X post scheduled for the entire month. That being said, now that you guys see the opportunity at hand, what does it cost to make a video? Let's get into the costs. Well, first you have to capture the video. So you're gonna need equipment, you're gonna need proper lighting, you may need to take retakes, then you're gonna need to edit tons of cuts, adding captions, needing to find the right sound, changing the colors, optimizing the thumbnail, testing different hooks, rewriting the title over and over again. And then you publish it and you've got one asset in one platform window. And like I said, with short form video, your videos aren't going to last years with organic reach the same way that they're going to with long form YouTube videos. So that being said, the video limit basically caps at you. One creator could realistically only ship 1 to 3 video assets per day, provided that they're making real good video. Now that's effort that caps the output, not strategy, which is where we get into the massive leverage that you guys are going to have here using X to make your posts. So why text first is actually going to compound in your favor. So drafting way faster. It takes minutes from an idea to a finished post. Now, one of the biggest advantages is the format. You're going to use a lot of the same format. These are repeatable templates. So once you master something that's working, you can really start to automate this and start to scale this further and further and further, which it means it doesn't cap at you. And finally, the post. This basically gives you infinite low-cost shots at reaching your goal. All this put together gives you 100x leverage on the daily output ceiling of a video operator. All right, diving into the most important paradigm shift for you guys. Before you guys start making any money with this, you have to realize this one point, internalize this, and make this like a backbone of everything that you're going to do. Because reach is just vanity. Views, getting millions of views. There's a lot of videos making a lot of views, and there's a lot of them not making very much money. They're not converting at all. Lots of streamers have just random content, and they're just laughing and being silly, and that audience is not buying anything from them. They're not selling some $500 course on how to start e-commerce or something to this audience. So the millions of views, they're from low intent entertainment audiences, and they're basically optimized just to get likes, watch time, and a broad appeal, bringing in as many people as possible, not a targeted audience that actually have a certain problem that they want to solve. Overall, this is the trap, and this makes this extremely hard to monetize, which is why intent is the real asset. What you really want is targeted micro views. This is going to give you a serious edge. You get thousands of views instead of millions of views, but they're from high intent operators and real buyers with real money that actually want your product. And now these posts are optimized for relevance, specificity, and for real decision makers, people that are ready to pull the trigger and actually work with you. When you put it together, having a lot of these X posts and having a targeted audience that you're putting them in front of, and then when you add a product into it, now you're starting to see how we can make some money. So let's do a quick case study about how a 20,000 view tweet can actually lead to over $100,000 in deal flow. Now you're only going to get 20,000 views, right? But you're going to get the right 20,000. And a fraction of these people are going to reply and then receive a private DM. Now this fraction is extremely high intent leads. They've selected themselves to operate and work with you. Now out of the people that actually reach the DMs, now a small portion of that fraction actually are going to enter the next phase. They're going to enter your funnel. They're going to get on the phone with a closer. They're going to get on the phone with you, whatever that may be. But these are your qualified enterprise buyers. These are your serious buyers. You want to treat these people well, nurture them well, answer any questions that they may have. If you're selling a high ticket program, you're definitely going to want to have somebody get on the phone. You can get professional closers. You can get people that literally do this for a living, and they'll just take a fraction of the cut and they'll get on the phone. Now you can have one sale that closes, massive sale from a high ticket client for 100K. You can have a bunch of little ones, 10K ones, 15K, 5K, 20K. One of my mentors is selling a $30,000 coaching package. This is not unheard of in the game when you're actually finding the right targeted buyers. Remember, you are finding these targeted buyers with the algorithm based on what you're talking about. So you may think, oh, well, nobody has 15K to 100K. Trust me, a lot of people do. They don't want to give it to just anybody. But if you can solve a specific problem, if you can build some sort of course, and you don't have to just close them like this, you can just rinse and repeat this entire cycle on a smaller scale with lower tickets. So this can apply to anything. But this basically shows how 20,000 views on a single tweet can actually lead to 100K. Because if you closed one client or 5 20K clients, you've already reached your 100K. And that can happen in a month. Next, let's dive into the moat. I'm going to be completely transparent with, because most accounts die. Most of these X accounts aren't going to make any money. And this is why most accounts die. And here is why that's your edge. This is your biggest advantage. Okay? Stick with me. Now here's what they do. Week 1, tons of enthusiasm posting, lots of high effort. Week 2 to 3, no instant traction. Their doubt starts to set in. They start to be like, is this really worth the time? By week 4, they're sporadic posting. They're all over the place. They're not doing it right anymore. The algorithm starts to deprioritize them. And then by month 2, their account is effectively abandoned, right? So the algorithm really rewards survival. Drop off isn't a bug. It's the moat protecting operators who stay. So if you guys are going to try to get into this, I suggest that you be serious about it. If you're going to build a product, it doesn't have to be a $10,000 coaching program. It can be a $100 ebook. You can make a video course and sell it for $300, $500, $1,000, whatever it may be. You can build an app. You can build a series of little apps with Claude Code, whatever you may do. Okay. And then your main thing is to stick this out. We're going to talk about that. We're going to teach you some ways to actually do that, and subscribe to the channel. I have resources down below, a full guide teaching you how to launch your first digital product. So if you guys don't have a product and you're like, well, I want to do this. This sounds easy. I can make X posts. This won't be hard, but I don't have anything to sell. This guide interested, we'll teach you everything you need to know. Grab that guide down below, okay? That being said, let's dive into module number 2, faceless reverse engineering. All right, so here's 4 architectures that make up one engine. All right, here's where it starts getting good, because if you were thinking earlier that, oh man, how am I gonna make $100,000? This guy's crazy. What does he think? Well, here's 4 ways. This is the whole engine built on 4 pillars. I'll give you 4 in this video for this whole course. So number 1, business to business. If you're working with enterprises, AI. If you're building AI systems of any sort, and it's not that hard, you guys can learn everything here on YouTube. You can find some mentors that can teach you all about this stuff. And once you guys have the knowledge, once you guys have actually built stuff and you guys know and you have some credibility, you guys can actually work with other people, work with some big businesses. And these big businesses are willing to pay high ticket, $15,000 to $100,000 per contract. These are big contracts. And these could be recurring. This could be, oh, well, we need you every month to do this. We'll pay you $15,000 a year, but we need you on a monthly basis to manage our social medias, whatever it is. And you get $15K per client, and you can put on 10, 20, 30 clients and manage all their social medias. And your X accounts can teach people about social media management. That's an idea, right? Just teach them about social media management and funnel them in with free products and get them in here and find your high ticket clients who are actually willing to work with you, and you can do their social media management for them, right? That being said, let's dive into number 2, the media engine. This is a really good one. You can make a newsletter, some sort of asset where you're going to continuously drop new content, valuable content, information to an audience that really wants more of that. This doesn't have to be high ticket. You guys can build a massive subscriber list. Now, the newsletter, if you had 115,000 people on this list for $1 each, there's your $115,000 a month. Now, what if it was $10 each? You had this for $10 each. Well, then you only need 10,000 subscribers on this list. You're thinking, if you had 115,000 followers on X, could you not get 10K of them to get on the news list? Over time, nurturing, teaching them every day, saying, I mean, you're basically making this newsletter the further step. They learn everything from your X page, right? And then they go to your newsletter for more. And it doesn't have to be $10 a month. If you think that's too much, make it $5 a month. If you think that's not enough, make it $20 a month. You are your own boss here. You dictate what you're going to put in that newsletter and how good it's going to be, but it works. It seriously works, and you guys can take that pill, okay? Then number 3, the MRR engine, right? This is the monthly recurring revenue. This is any sort of community asset. This could be a school community. This could be your own app that you create. In my context that I have it here, you don't even have to have the community. You can work with another community, and you can bring people into their community, and they can manage all of that stuff, and you can get a 30 to 50% recurring revenue split. That means if it's $100 a month community, you get $50 a month. Every person that you bring in, and they get 50, right? And they have to manage all of it. All you did was bring the person one time. You brought them in one time. Now, how much would it take you to get to 100K like this? Because these people, if the person's good and they don't churn too hard and they actually stay, that's when you seriously win, because you don't have to manage the community, and you can continuously drive more and more and more traffic on a niche page. You're teaching stuff for free, giving away a free guide, whatever you're doing, and you're leading people to that community, $100 a month community, whatever it may be. There's communities that are a lot more expensive than $100 a month. But say you got $50. That's about 2,000 sales. 2,000 sales will get you to your 100K a month, and that is recurring revenue, because you're going to get recurring splits. You're going to get that 50% every single month. That's dynamite. I'm giving sauce. I'm giving straight sauce. Please like and subscribe, because I don't see very many people just giving it out like this, just giving full courses. Like, this is paid content. This is what somebody would charge for, but I just wanted you guys to have for free, because I'm tired of seeing people suffer. I'm tired of seeing people struggling at their job with no extra money. I want you to win. So that being said, let's dive into number 4. Yeah, so you guys can get your own high ticket closer. I remember earlier I was saying there's professionals that do this for a living. That's all that they do. They're high ticket closers. They're very, very good at it. They'll take a commission, right? So you guys can basically get in the middle here, whether you have your own coaching program or you have something like this where you get somebody else's coaching program. You have a coaching program, you'll work with them where you're going to get a commission based on that, or it's your own program and you get a high ticket closer to basically handle it all for you. So how does it work? You would have your X account. You would teach everybody and nurture everybody for free. You would funnel people through like your free guide or whatever it is, and get people to your form where they're going to get on the phone with the closer, right? And this closer is going to basically get them to buy whatever it is, whether it's your high ticket product, whether it's somebody else's high ticket coaching program. If you don't want to make a coaching program, it could be your high ticket coaching program. If you have your own program, if you put your own together, just get a high ticket closer. Find one. They're not that hard to find. They have people like this on Upwork and Fiverr, but you can go into Facebook groups. You can put up an ad, classified ad for somebody like this. You can go on different social medias and try to find people that do this. Just do some networking and look around, and I'm sure you'll find yourself some high ticket closers that are willing to do this as long as the product is good. Don't have people selling scams and pyramid schemes. Please don't scam people. Get a high ticket closer with a real program, a very good program, and put the two together and just funnel traffic from that X page or multiple X pages right into this. And they'll get on the phone, and this person will just be ready to get on the phone, and they'll close these people. They'll learn the playbook. playbook of whatever it is that you're trying to sell and how it benefits the person. And you'd be surprised how many, like, these are high ticket programs, 10K, 20K, 30K programs, and this person will do it for a commission, right? So you're closing 5 and 10K deals. You're closing big deals. You literally just have to keep funneling people to this person, and every deal that they close, it could be 10K for them and 10K for you, 50-50. You know what I mean? Or if there's a third person involved that has the coaching program, maybe it's 10, 10, and 10, or 5, whatever. However it works, you work that out on your own. But you can't tell me that number 4 is not sauce. You can't tell me that with all 4 of these methods, you guys couldn't make that 100K a month that we were talking about, or that 100K with 20,000 views. We were talking about 20,000 targeted views, people that are looking for something super specific. Come on. But you actually have to put your whole life and soul into this. This has to be something that you truly want. So you have to ask yourself, what are you working on now? Is that working out for you? And if it's not working out, can this work for you? Is this something that you want to try? And if you try it, you have to be ready to give it your whole heart, your whole effort, and don't give up. Please. You have to see it through first before you give up, and make sure that you practice and get better over time, because getting better every day and not giving up, that's automatically going to lead to winning. If you know anything about self-development, if you listen to any athletes or any self-development gurus, they all say the same thing. Don't give up and keep persevering, getting better, and fighting every day to be better and be the best you that you can possibly be, because at the end of the day, that is what's going to get you there. That is ultimately what's going to take you to the finish line. It's not some fancy presentation. It's not our strategies. It's not our tips. Whatever advice I was able to give you here, I hope that I gave you the building blocks that you needed to do something with this on your own, because the ball is in your court now. What you do next depicts your entire future. This falls on you. Your family's counting on you. I wish well for you. In the future, I'll probably open up coaching and I'll actually start teaching people about this. For now, I just have the guide down below that you guys can check out. I have some resources down there. If you need any help, check out everything I have in the description. I'll be sure to post more videos on this going forward. So subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much. And this is Emperor Jefe signing off.